Sharp presents NaViSense, an at-the-edge AI solution for detecting a variety of objects visible to the human eye. NaViSense utilizes computer vision to offer a flexible source of analytics covering many audience and environment attributes, including baggage size detection, people counting, vehicle make and model, and apparel logo, to name a few. These passive attributes are collected using a variety of edge computing devices, including those that can be integrated into a Sharp display. NaViSense analytics are customizable and easily scalable due to its REST API. NaViSense does not require a specific database or dashboard application and can be integrated into a variety of providers, including Microsoft Power BI, Grafana, and others. Ask us how NaViSense can deliver value from your world of objects.